To do this problem, you had to add 0 to your placeholder. Now you do 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. And you bring down your 1. Equals 0 plus 1. Now you put your decimal in. No. Your answer is negative 18.52. To do this problem, you need to add placeholders. So you put a placeholder there and here. And now you subtract. So 9 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 6 can't do, so add 1 right there and that would be 4. 13 minus 6 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. And you bring the placeholder there, and your answer is 12.79. And that's how you do it. To multiply this problem, you need to write it out vertically first. Then you add up decimals. And that would be 3. First, you multiply 7 times 2, be 14. 7 times 0 is 0, plus 1. 7 times 4 is 28. And then you add in the decimal. So it would be 1, 2, 3 times. So the decimal would go there, and your answer would be 2.814. That's your answer. To divide this problem, you need to write it out. So it would be 0. 0.2 divided by 1.06. Then you need to move up the decimal. You have to move this one too. And the decimal would be right there. Now you divide. 2 can't go into 1. 2 can go into 10 5 times. That would be 10. Subtract that. 0, bring down 6. 2 can go into 6 3 times. That would be 6 and 0. And you get 5.3. To do this problem, you need to do this. So you need to do the opposite of this. So you have to do addition. So it'd be plus 5.8, and over here is plus 5.8, and then you would do this. 8 plus 2 is 10, and 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So you get 7.0. So W equals 7.0. That's how you do that. To this problem, subtraction undoes addition, undoes subtraction. Okay, so you would have to subtract these. So 3.91, then you have to do minus 3.91 here also. Then you do 28.00 minus 3.91. This gives you, can't do that, take one right there. That would be 9. This would be 7. So you do that. So 10 minus 1 is 9, and that's 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. And just is a placeholder there, and that would be 2 minus 0 is 2. So you would get 24.09. So K would equal 24.09. So we write down K equals 24.09, and that's your answer. To do this problem, multiplication undoes division. So you would have to divide on this one. So you would do 1.2 divided by 1.2. Then you do over here 1.44 divided by 1.2. Now you do 1.44 divided by 1.2 is 1.44 divided by 1.2 is 1.2. So y would equal 1.2, and that's your answer. To do this problem, you would have to do multiplication undoes division. So it would be 8.2 over here times 8.2 over here. Now we would have to do 0.6 times 8.2. So 0.6 times 8.2 is 4.92. So n equals 4.992. So n equals 4.92. And that's how you do it. To add this problem, you have to find the least common denominator, which is already there, which are both the same. Now you add 6 plus 3, 15. Then you do 9, 15. Then you simplify 9, 15, simplify by 3, and this gives you 3/5. And that's your answer. To multiply this fraction, you have to rewrite it. So it would be 1 times 2 over 4 times 3, negative 2. And then you turn this into a 1 and turn that into a 2. And then you do 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 is 6 is your answer. To do this problem, you have to write 3/4 times 7, 6, because 6 sevenths is the reciprocal of 7, 6. So you do 3 times 7 over 4 times 6. Let me see if you can do divide out. So you do 3, 1, this is 2. So now we can do it. So 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 2 is 8. So you get 7/8. To do this, you have to subtract 1/6. So you do negative minus 1/6 there and minus 1/6 here. Now you have to subtract 5/6 minus 1/6. So you do 5/6 minus 1/6. Then you do 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 6. And then you get 4/6. So m equals 4/6. To do this problem, you have to add to get that. So you add 1/5 here, and you add 1/5 here. Now, after that, you do 3/5 plus 1/5, and that would give you 4/5. So n equals 4/5.